we'll be talking about rights of arrested person. Section 50 of CRPC says that every police officer or any other officer who is authorized to arrest a person without a warrant should inform the arrested person about the offence for which he is arrested. Section 50A of CRPC obligates a person making an arrest to inform of the arrest to any of his friends or relatives or any other person in his interest. Section 55 of CRPC states that whenever a police has authorized a subordinate to arrest any person without any warrant, the subordinate officer needs to notify the person arrested of the substance of the written order that is given, specifying the offence and other grounds of arrest. Section 75 of CRPC says that police officer executing the warrant should notify the substance to the person arrested and show him a warrant if it is required. Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India also states that no police officer should arrest any person without informing him the grounds of arrest. Right to be produced before the magistrate. Under Section 55, the police officer making arrest without warrant should produce the arrested person before the magistrate in the jurisdiction or any police officer in charge of the police station subject to the conditions of arrest. Section 76 CRPC states that police officer executing a warrant of arrest should produce the arrested person before 24 hours. Article 22 Clause 2 of the Constitution states that police officer making arrest should be produced before the magistrate. Right to be released on bail. According to subsection 2 of section 50, a person can be released on bail and arrangements can be made based on the sureties with or without bonds. Right to fair trial. Under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, right to consult a lawyer. Section 41D of CRPC. Section 303 CRPC states that when a person is alleged to have committed an offence before the criminal court or against whom the proceedings are initiating, has a right to be defended by the legal practitioner of his choice. Right to free legal aid under 304 CRPC states that when trial is conducted before the court of session, the accused is not represented by the legal practitioner when it appears that accused has no sufficient means to appoint so, the court may appoint a pleader for his defence. Article 39A obligates a state to provide free legal aid for this purpose of securing the justice. Right to remain silent. Article 20 Clause 2 against self-incrimination. Right to be examined by a medical practitioner under Section 54 of CRPC. And other rights are given under Section 358 of CRPC, Section 46 of CRPC and Section 49 of CRPC.